Maxie, Bonny, and Matilda. We're going to make a cake because, you excited? Yeah? What kind of cake are we making?
Chocolate cake?
Yeah, we're going to make chocolate cake. A chocolate caramel poke cake. Oh yeah. Okay. Excited? Yes. Okay, should we tell them all the stuff that they need?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. So we just got a Baby Crocker chocolate cake mix and it's going to be very nice. And we also got tin caramel because why not? Love that. You're going to need a big mixing bowl to put all the stuff in. This is what you're going to cook it in. You can cook it in a smaller pan, but we're doing this so it's a bit deeper so all the caramel can get really nice inside. You're going to need milk, butter, a measuring jug, a scale, and an electric whisk. You can use like a hand whisk, but we've got an electric whisk because we fancy. Very nice, we fancy. All right, so Maxie is going to help me put everything together and he's going to help Tilly make it look really pretty. So let's start. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready? Are we ready?
Yeah.
Okay, what is this?
Cake.
Chocolate cake mix. You're going to open it. I'm going to open it on the top.
Okay. Cake. Chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk cake. Alright, so here we got, ooh, the frosting. You feel it? Yummy, very nice. Alright, so we'll put that to the side. And then we got our cake mix. Keep your box to the side so you know the instructions. Don't throw it away. Very nice. Alright, so we're going to cut this open.
Okay.
Cut it open.
I'm just going to do it all the way.
You're going to do it all the way?
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay.
You
ready?
I'll do it myself.
And tippy tip. Very good job. Very nice.
Can you smell?
Are you going to smell it?
Smell it.
Ooh, it smells like chocolate cake.
Smell it.
Yummy.
Smell it.
So yummy. Alright. We've got that in there. We're going to put it to the side. But Maxie, we need to wash our hands before we put all our stuff in.
Okay.
So we wash our hands? Alright. We've got our chocolate cake mix in the bowl.
In the bowl.
Now we're going to preheat the oven to 180. 180. Now what are we going to do? Butter?
Butter, yeah.
Alright, we're going to measure the butter. So we've got our scale.
Scale.
Turn it on.
Turn it on.
Yes. We're going to turn it on and we're going to measure 125 grams of butter. And then we're going to melt it.
Melt it.
We're going to melt it. Alright, are we ready?
Yeah.
So, dump it in.
Dump it in.
And then we're going to put it in the microwave.
Microwave.
We're going to melt it.
Melt it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Ready. Alright, we've melted the butter.
Yeah.
It's all nice and melted. And we've done it for about 10-second intervals until it's fully was melted. For us, it took about 30 seconds, so it's not bad. Alright, now what are we going to do with the butter? We're going to put it in the cake. Good job. Alright, here we go. We've got a spoon.
Okay.
You want to pour it in? Oh, very nice. Very nice. You got to have that much aggression when you pour it in there. There you go. Alright, what's the next step?
Milk.
Eggs, which we totally forgot about.
Eggs.
That's fine. You also need 3 eggs. Alright, so we got 3 eggs, which we forgot to tell you about. We've got 3 eggs. Are you going to crack the eggs in?
I'm going to try.
Okay, should we crack them in this bowl?
Okay.
And then you can put them in here?
Oh, yes, you can.
Alright then. Are you going to crack the egg?
I'm going to do it myself.
Are you going to hit it on here first and then crack it? Yeah, hit it on the side. Hit it on the side. And then you're going to open it. Ready? Careful. Yeah, let's crack it. Alright, you ready?
I'm going to do it myself.
Alright, here you go. Ready? Go. Oh, very nice. Yay! We've got some shells in there. That's fine. Very good. You're eating it?
Yeah.
Gross. Alright, I'll do the rest. Alright, so we've got 3 eggs and we're going to put it in our mix. Max is going to put it in. Very nice. Very good job. Alright. Use the same cup because it's all mixing together anyway.
Hello, guys.
Alright, what's the last step, Maxie?
Milk.
Milk. Very good job. Alright, so we need, what does it say? We need 3/4 of a cup.
Oh, I've got, okay.
3/4 of a cup.
Okay, bye.
So then you get eye level with the milk.
Oh, yeah, but it.
And we're going to tip it in.
Tip it in.
There we go. We got 3/4. Very good job.
Ready?
And in it goes. Go. Beautiful. Beautiful. Get all the last drops out. You gotta make sure there's no left in there. All right, very good job. All right, now what do we do? Now we mix it. Are we ready? All right, so do it on a low speed, especially if you've got a little kid who just wants to go full speed.
Okay, boy.
So, are we ready?
Yeah.
All right, so we got it all mixed. It's all nice and mixed, not chunky and nice and mixed. And now we're gonna put it off to the side and we're gonna grease our pan. Okay guys, so we're gonna pour it in. Got our nice greased pan. We're gonna pour it in.
I would fly.
Wash your hands. Woo! No, do not put your hand in it. Oh, you got somebody's hands. Go look at now. So we've got it all lined in the tin, all nice and smooth. No bumps, anything like that. Make sure it's all even. I'm going to put it in the oven at 180 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes and check it during with like a toothpick or a fork or a knife. If it comes out clean, it's cooked. If it comes out still wet, you still got to keep it in there for a while.
An eternity later.
So we're taking the cake out of the oven and I'm going to put a wooden skewer through it to see if it's completely cooked, and if it comes out clean then it's good. If it's still a bit gooey on the inside, just put it back in for another 5 minutes. And so now I'm going to be using a fondant tool to poke holes around the cake, and you still want the cake to be a bit warm so that when we pour the caramel in it doesn't go hard and you want it to be gooey. You can also use the back of a wooden spoon or anything that will make a hole pretty much. Okay, now that we've poked the holes in the cake, we're going to make the caramel filling, and we're just going to be using a tin of caramel and some milk. Okay, so now I'm just going to put the caramel into the measuring cup. Make sure to get it all in. Okay, so now that that's in, I'm going to use a 1/4 cup at a time of milk and pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds, just to get it to liquid. Okay, so we took the caramel out of the microwave. It only needed 30 seconds. You just want to whisk it a lot to get it completely liquid. I let it rest for about a minute just to give it time. And now I'm going to pour it over the cake and hopefully it sinks in. Right, now that we've poured the caramel over the cake, I'm just spreading it to make sure it gets in all the holes evenly. And then I'm going to let it sit for a few minutes and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, now we're going to use the icing from the box and I'm just going to put it in to the measuring cup slowly. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 15 seconds at a time to make sure it's liquid like the caramel, so that we can just pour it on. We put the chocolate icing in the microwave. It's now pretty much liquid, and Max is going to pour it on the cake. Off you go. Alright, good job. I'm just going to scrape the excess out with a spatula. Camera! That was so good. Sorry. Okay, now I'm just spreading the icing on top of the cake, and then we are going to put some sprinkles on top because Max wanted sprinkles. And then we will let it sit on the bench, and it's ready to eat. Best eaten more.
Let's eat.
Yep. Would you like to put some sprinkles on?
Oh, yes, please.
Do you want to hold my hand? So we
Don't talk.
Okay, now we're putting some sprinkles on. Alright, go. No, no, no. Okay. Like that. Okay, it's tradition that every cake we make in this house has to have candles on it, no matter what, because it's always someone's birthday for Max, and he loves celebrating birthdays. So we're just going to put some candles in the top. Can I put one in? And he's going. Yep. Whose birthday is it, Max?
Me.
Thank you for watching our video on how to make a chocolate caramel poke cake. Max will blow the candles out now. Go, blow the candles out.